You can find this on Amazon.com. Before.
Look at the dirt and the sun.
Then now.
I love these things because they're every day and now that is cool. Look at that. Do you see it? Buy this on Amazon, please. This is amazing. And vacuum cleaner. Yeah. Please look at Amazon. It's a good product. And it will clean cars and other things. Thank you for watching. Uncle Junior. See, it's a good thing for me to do. So I hope you try it out and love it. Thank you for watching. Muchas gracias. Salamat po. And have a good day.